Good morning, class. In this class, we will discuss about all the main job roles in IT career. This class will be for beginners, for those who are confused in different job roles in IT, for those who are trying to come into IT field from non-technical background. So watch this video carefully. You will get basic concepts of IT fields, different job codes, different technologies, and are the different skills need to learn. What will be their roadmap and time period to learn those skills. This video can save your lot of time if you will follow these roadmaps. Then you will move from point A to point B in a very straight way. Otherwise, you may suffer a lot. Let us see. Here, we all are familiar with some terms, some keywords which are in newspaper, in daily market terms, and in tech fields, such as cloud computing, game development, data science, robotics, Python, cybersecurity, digital marketing, HTML, AWS, software testing, etc. etc. Like these, you are familiar with some terms, but you are confused how to start your career, what to learn first, and what not to learn. Now we will check in detail. Here are some main categories of IT career, such as networking, web development, UI UX design, cyber security, software development, data science and data analytics, game development, graphic designing, digital marketing, project management, robotics, etc. etc. Now we need to learn some basics of these fields and skills required so that we can get your career roadmap in a very perfect way. Let us see what are the terms, what are the categories, what are the requirements for those. Here, firstly, you need to know about yourself, what you want and what you do not want in your job roles. So the first thing you need to check is mathematics. Whether you want to learn mathematics, you need to spend your time on solving equations, doing mathematical problems, or you do not want it now in your career. Firstly, you need to know this term, and then you need to check coding skills. Means there are mainly two categories on behalf of coding. The first one is the coding one. This will include a lot of coding tasks, and the second one will include drag and drop task, or simply saying colorful tasks. You should know in which category you comes. The third term will come your soft skills such as management, teamwork, means you should know that you are familiar with the communication skills, you are familiar with HR works, or you want only a individual task that you should learn, you should do on your desktop. So you need to learn, you need to know these skills about yourself, then only you can decide your career in a perfect way. Now let us discuss in detail. Suppose, don't, I think what this is something problem in my system. We need to add a new page. Okay. Okay. Some terms we will discuss here, such as if you are interested in data field, then what you should follow. When you are interested in game development, then what you should follow. If you are interested in robotics, then what will be the your roadmap in data field. You should know mathematical terms, you should be interested in maths, then you can start your career in this. In game development there are two roadmaps. Colorful one means you will be handling lot of colors and less coding, and the second one will be coding task. In robotics also two categories are divided, means the first one is you learn coding, you interest in, in coding, and the second one is you love hardware skills, IoT skills, or hardware plus software skills, means electronics work. If you are very beginner and you do not want math, you do not want coding, then a term graphic designing will be best for you. Graphic designing can be started from non-mathematical, non-coding tools such as Canva, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and then if you are interested in coding, you can step one towards coding tools and job roles. Those are video animating using coding, game development, and the many job roles in game development team. Then comes some advanced concepts which are not for beginners, but if you want to go in those teams, then you should know basic of those. The terms are cloud computing, team head, project manager, etc. etc. These terms are for level 3 of your career. Means you cannot join these if you are a beginner. These are for experienced one. Level 1 for ex beginners, level 2 for intermediate, level 3 for experienced one. Now let us see their roadmap. See, for networking and IT support, you need basic maths. Here, basic means very low level maths or no maths. In web development, you need basic math knowledge. In UI UX development, you need basic. In cyber security, basic math. Software development, basic math. Data science and data analysis, you need high level mathematical background. You need to do lot of tasks on mathematics on daily basis. In game development, there will be two teams. One team will be without mathematics and the second one will be mathematics. In graphic designing, basic math will be required. In digital marketing, no math will be required. In project management, it will depend on your team, on what team you are working. In robotics, you need high base mathematics. In cloud computing, you need high mathematics knowledge. In QA tester, quality assurance team, you need basic math. And here comes the category of coding also. You can take screenshot and check these terms later. So this was the discussion about the roadmaps of different fields. Comment below if you want the detailed roadmap of a particular field. I have already made this detailed video of data team and different job roles in data team. You can check. Okay, team, thank you for the day. We will discuss something new in our next class. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring yourself.